I've searched the internet and I found this. Honor 200 Pro 5G Portrait Master. It gains all kinds of rewards. All kinds. But funny thing, if I switch from the German side to English version, all those rewards are gone. What? Not sure why, but that's what it is. Studio level portrait camera. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Triple 50 megapixel studio level. Ultra large sensors. H9000 ultra large sensor. Wow, that's the latest and greatest. And Honor Sony EMX 856. That's not the latest and greatest. But what else do we have? Huge battery. Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Magic OS. Okay, that's the screen. 8.2 millimeters. All right. What is that? That's the camera. Inspired by the form of Guardian, Casamila, whatever. Let's continue. Ocean Cyan. That's the colors. And black. The only two colors. I think I will go with the black. Of course. Portrait Master. Beyond DSLR level. I highly doubt that. Anyway, let's move on. There you go. There it is. H9000 ultra-round sensor. That is very interesting. 4-in-1 with a quick with 2.4 large pixels. Okay, that's the main one. Now the telephoto is AMX 856. That's the old sensor, but still really good. 2.5 optical zoom. And up to 50 digital zoom. But digital it doesn't matter. You can go even 1,000 digital. You always see pixels. 2.5, it's okay. Nothing extraordinary. 12 ultra wide and macro camera. All right. And 50 megapixel front facing. Optimized for selfie camera. That cutout is huge. Reminds me of Huawei. All right. What else do we have? Honor AI portrait engine. So I guess it's all about selfie. Again. Selfie experience. I think this phone is for girls. I don't have too many male friends which are making selfies all the time. Not really. That's for the girls. All right. Even in HDR, dual style. There you go. Photo with selfie camera. All right. Let's move on. It's all about the camera. Let's see other features. You also have a software to edit your fantastic selfie. All right. Oh, that's the whole specs. 6.78 inch. That's not a small smartphone. 4000 nits with HDR peak brightness. That's just for HDR. It's not always 4000, of course. Will blind you. All right. 437 ppi density. It's okay. Normal. Hyper dynamic color depth HDR full 120 hertz. That's great. 1 billion colors and gamut. All the standard things. Amazon HDR certification. Netflix HDR certification, so you can watch all those content with HDR experience. All right. Well, there are some awards there. Also, what else do we have? Flicker-free screen. So you won't get tired. I never fatigue my eyes with a smartphone. With a big screen, yes, but with a smartphone, never. Anyway, that's the technology for you. Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. It's basically Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Large battery. All right. 100-watt charging. Up to 50% in 15 minutes. That is astonishing. I like that a lot. And 66-watt wireless charging. Very impressive. 64% in 30 minutes. Amazing again. AI range cooling system. That's definitely needed. And GPU Turbo X for gaming. Dual stereo speakers, also great. Headphones, spatial audio. Yeah, I think I have that spatial audio in the other smartphone. It's really good. And others, you can control your AC, you can control all kinds of stuff. IP65, fearless of a splash. Dust and water resistance. It's 65, so it's a splash, not submerge. Do remember that. And NFC payment. Magic portal, magic capsule, and that's all it is. How much do I have to pay for it? That is the question. For example, in Germany, because the closest one is in Germany, 700 euros. Damn. But for selfies, why not? Yeah, for selfies. Is this the best smartphone for 700 euros on paper? There you go. You can get a free watch, free super nice charger, or DJI Osmo Mobile SE for video stabilization. Find yourself a most expensive reward and get it. It's 140 euros. So you can say 500, but I don't think you will be able to sell it for that much. So let's say 100 less. So let's say 600 euros if you want to sell from the second hand. 600 euros for such a device. For 600 euros, we could have Motorola X50 Ultra, the latest and greatest. How insane is that? Vivo X100S, which is a newer model, S version. Tablets, don't count tablets. And Redmi Turbo, of course, it's less expensive. Meizu is less expensive. Oppo Find X7, a flagship, but not the Pro version, the regular one. For the Pro, you have to add 150 euros. Realme GT5 Pro is less expensive. The question is how good it is. Well, maybe in time I will get into my hands and we'll make all kinds of tests and reviews. And I think that's all I have. Just a reminder that there's something on the market which could be interesting for you. For the selfie enthusiasts. See you next video. Bye.